Basically, the Pro version is bigger, beefer version of the standard Watch 5. You can get better battery life, a larger footprint, and essentially all the same features as the standard Watch 5. All of that comes at a price $450 to be exact. It's time to answer the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 worth buying? As always, that depends on where you are coming from and the phone you use. However, I will say that Watch 5 is a better choice than the Watch 5 Pro for most people. The Galaxy Watch 5 is easily the closest competitor to the Apple Watch. Samsung has done an impressive job at revealing Apple's great fitness features. It's not quite on the same level, but it's very close. If you want the Apple Watch equivalent on Android, the Watch 5 is your play. If you already have the Galaxy Watch 4, I don't think the Watch 5 is a significant upgrade. You won't notice a ton of improvements compared to the Watch 4. However, Tizen-based Samsung Watch owners will notice a big difference. Google Apps and a much better app ecosystem can't be overstated. Plus, you are not giving up the Samsung features, The Galaxy Watch 5 may not be as flashy as last year's Watch 4, Samsung's long-awaited return to Wear OS. However, this is a super solid, polished and refined smartwatch. It perfectly blends the line between fitness, companion and high-class watch. The thicker design is thanks to an improved sensor, which Samsung says makes better contact with your skin. I haven't noticed a huge difference in the data collected by the sensor, but I will also never felt like old sensor was inaccurate. Speaking of that new sensor, it includes the ability to measure temperature. However, it's not terribly useful. There is no way to take a temperature reading on demand. It's apparently being used for sleep tracking and maybe put to more use in the future. Personally, fitness is one of the areas that I care about the most for smartwatches. Samsung Health is an impressive suite of fitness tools on its own, but it's even better when paired with a Samsung Watch. For my money, Samsung stands only behind Apple when it comes to consumer-friendly fitness smartwatches. Before wrapping up, we should talk about the second Galaxy Watch model this year, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So, what's the difference? As briefly mentioned, there are a couple of things to note. The Watch 5 Pro has a 590 mAh battery, whereas the 40mm Watch 5 has a 284 mAh battery. The 44mm Watch 5 battery is 410 mAh. That's a big difference, and it equates to the Watch 5 Pro being able to last nearly 3 days on a charge. Size is another big difference. The Pro model has the same size display as the 44mm Watch 5, 1.36 inch, but the body is slightly wider and thicker. It's a big watch, coming in at 46 mm in diameter and 10.5 mm thick. The body is made of titanium as well.